let's see.
flight we have is went to Toronto to Frankfurt to Abu Dhabi. We got to Frankfurt. There was a guy that we just touched. Shot him. Stuff in the thing and went through the door and stuff like
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Toronto. Local time is 2:45. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened, baggage stowed until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Smoking is not permitted and mobile receiving and transmitting functions may now be used. All passengers need to clear Canadian Customs and Immigration here in Toronto. We kindly ask that you have all the necessary documentation ready to give to the inspector inside the terminal building. For those passengers with connecting flights here, please refer to the computer screens inside the terminal building or consult with